This is one of Grohe's touch faucets. So from time to time you may need to change the sensitivity, and that's done on the black box. Now there's a button here on the front, and you press and hold it for about 20 seconds. It'll blink at you. And from the factory it is set at a medium setting, a number 3. So it'll flash 3 times at you once I release the button. And 1, 2, 3. So to take it up to 5, I just press it. Now it should be blinking 4. Up to 5, and let's take it down to a 2. So there's 1, 1, 2. And wherever you want the sensitivity, just let it time itself out, and that's where it will be set. And it's set at a number 2. At any point, you can go down there, press and hold the button again, and take it to a different sensitivity.